Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so today we continue exercise. So ni saya lupa nak ubah exercise for eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Okay, so question here. Okay, so consider the matrix A is equal to this one. Okay, so A, find the eigenvalues for matrix A, and then find all the eigenvectors of A and basis for eigenspace. Okay, so first find the eigenvalue. Okay, so to find the eigenvalue, so we using determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Okay, so substitute matrix A minus lambda I, which is identity, and compute the determinant equal to 0. Okay, so and then A minus lambda I, so become like this one, and then find the determinant. Okay, so to find the determinant, okay, so it up to you to use which row, which column. Okay, so for me, I choose to use column 1. Okay, so saya tak nak pakai row yang pertama sebab kat sini ada negatif 3. Okay, so saya nak elakkan negatif. Okay, so kat sini pun ada negatif. So sini pun boleh pakai lah. So ni 2 minus lambda. Okay, so and here positive, positive. So tu terpulang pada korang nak pakai yang mana. So I want to use column number 1. Okay, so cofactor expansion along the first column. So first row 1 column 1, so which is negative 1, power of 1 plus 1, and then times by 2 minus lambda. Okay, and then close row 1 and column 1. So determinant of negative 2 minus lambda 1, negative 3, 2 minus lambda, then plus negative 1 power. Okay, so for the second one, this one 1, so negative 1, this one row 2 column 1. Okay, so 2 plus by 1, and then times by 1. Okay, and then determinant of close column 1 and row 2, so it is negative 3, 1, negative 3, and 2 minus lambda. Okay, after that plus negative 1 for the next one, which is row 3 column 1. Okay, so row 3 column 1. Okay, and then times by 1, determinant of close row 3 column 1, so which is negative 3, 1, negative 2 minus lambda 1. Okay, so all of this one is equal to 0. Okay, so next negative 1. Okay, next calculate. So negative 1 power of 2 become positive. Left is 2 minus lambda. Okay, so times determinant of this one. Okay, so you will have negative 2 minus lambda times by 2 minus lambda, and then minus by negative 3 times by 1, negative 3. So minus negative 3, so meaning that plus by 3. And this one, negative 1 power of 3, so become minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 times by determinant of this one, which is negative 3 times by 2 minus lambda, minus by negative 3 times 1, so become plus 3. And then plus, so this one, negative 1 power of 4 become positive. So times by 1, so positive 1, times with determinant of this one, so negative 3 times 1, negative 3, minus 1 times negative 2 minus lambda. Okay, so all of this one equal to 0. Okay, so next, after that, okay, so calculate. Okay, so calculate, so you will have here, which is 2 minus lambda, and inside this one, so you need to expand negative 2 times by 2, negative 4, negative 2 times negative lambda, positive 2 lambda. Okay, and then negative lambda times 2, negative 2 lambda, and negative lambda times negative lambda positive lambda square plus 3, and then minus, okay, and then for this one negative 3 times by 2 negative 6, okay, so negative 3 times by 2 negative 6, negative 3 times by negative lambda plus 3 lambda, and then plus by 3, and then plus, so this one 1, just 1, then minus 3, negative times negative 2 positive 2, negative times by negative lambda positive lambda equal to 0. Okay, and then after that simplify. So simplify, so you will have 2 minus lambda, and for this one negative 4 plus by 3 minus 1, positive 2 lambda minus 2 lambda 0, plus lambda square, then for this one minus negative 6 plus 3, so negative 3 plus 3 lambda, and for this one plus negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 1, and here plus lambda, which is equal to 0. Yes, so after that yes, so you can expand this one, or you can simplify this one first. Okay, so kalau kat sini saya boleh tengok negatif 1. Okay, so kalau siapa yang tak reti nak tengok ni, just expand, simplify and then factorize. Okay, so ni kat sini saya boleh tengok 2 minus lambda negative 1 plus lambda square, or lambda square minus 1. This one lambda square minus 1. Okay, so for lambda square minus 1 you can factorize become lambda minus 1 and lambda plus 1. Okay, so kadang ada kalanya tak perlu expand, tapi kat sini saya boleh nampak kat sini ada lambda tolak 1, sini pun ada lambda tolak 1, nanti boleh factorize. Boleh ke tak? Tengoklah, tak payah kot, tak perlu. Okay, so just kita tulis dalam bentuk, boleh kot, sebab nanti kalau nak expand pun nanti jadi kuasa 3, dia akan jadi panjang nanti. Okay, so lambda minus 1 and lambda plus 1. For this one, so I take out number 3, so minus 3 negative 1 plus lambda negative 1 plus lambda, which is equal to. Okay, so after that, if you can see here negative 3, so this one negative 1 lambda plus lambda, here also negative 1 plus lambda. Okay, cuba umpamakan this one x, this one x, so you will have negative 3x plus x. So therefore you will have 2 minus lambda minus 1 and lambda plus 1, and here negative 3 plus 1, so become negative 2 negative 1 plus lambda, which is equal to 0. Okay, so tak muat, saya delete dulu yang atas. Inilah. Okay, so this one lambda minus 1 and this one negative 1 plus lambda, so actually this one also lambda minus 1. So saya tulis kat sini 2 minus lambda and lambda plus 1 and lambda minus 1, and then minus by 2 lambda minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so here equal, benda yang sama, so you can factor out. So you will have lambda minus 1, and then inside the bracket, so you will have 2 minus lambda, and then lambda plus by 1 minus by 2, which is equal to 0. And then simplify inside this one, so you will have negative lambda minus 1. Okay, so you need to expand 2 lambda plus 2, negative lambda times lambda, negative lambda square. Okay, then negative lambda times positive 1, so negative lambda and minus by 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, so from here you will have lambda minus 1 and then negative lambda square. Okay, so ataupun negative lambda square tu letak kat belakang lah. Okay, so here positive 2 minus by 2. Okay, positive 2 minus by 2 become 0. So only left is 2 lambda minus lambda, so become lambda. And then minus by lambda square, so which is equal to 0. So sini ada lambda, sini pun ada lambda. So you can factor out lambda. So become lambda in bracket 1 minus lambda, which is equal to 0. So you have the eigenvalue, which is lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So this one lambda equal to 1, and then lambda equal to 0, and 1 minus lambda, which is equal to 0. So 1 equal to lambda. So eigenvalues is or are, so eigenvalues are lambda equal to 0, 1 and 1. Find the eigenvector and basis for eigenspace for lambda equal to 0. Okay, so first, so we have lambda 0, 1, 1. So cari untuk setiap satu. So lambda equal to 0. Okay, so for lambda equal to 0, so we have a minus 0 times by identity. So 0 times by identity ni 0 lah. So a minus 0 times by vector v equal to 0 vector. And then transform into augmented matrix. So you will have this one, this form. Okay, so yang ni kalau korang tulis dalam bentuk matrix equation, so you will have 2, negative 3, 1, 1, 1, negative 2, negative 3, 1, 2. And here is v1, v2 and v3, which is equal to 0, 0, 0. So kita nak cari eigenvector this one, v1, v2, v3. So transform into augmented matrix become this one. Okay, so to transform into to find the eigenvector v, so first we need to solve this augmented matrix. Okay, so we need to reduce into row reduce echelon form. So first we need to have here leading 1. Okay, so to have leading 1, since here we have 1, so I just interchange row 1 and row 2, so become like this. And then make it this one 0, and here also 0. Okay, so become like this. After that, leading 1 here. Okay, so here already have the leading 1. So next we make it this one become 0. Okay, and become like this. After that, we need here leading 1, but here there is no leading 1 lah, so dah jadi 0, 0 row. Okay, so leading 1 dia stop dekat sini. So after that, we need to make it this one become 0. So jadi kosong. So yang sini tak payah nak jadikan kosong, sebab because here there is no leading 1. Okay, so therefore we have this form. Okay, so the last one. Okay, so and then we do back substitution. Okay, so the first column for v1, second column v2, third column v3. Okay, so from this matrix, so we have v1 minus v3 equal to 0, and v1 is equal to v3. And then from the second row, so we have v2 minus v3 equal to 0, and v2 is equal to 0, is equal to v3. Okay, so yang ada leading 1 hanya v1 dan v2. Okay, so v3 there is no leading 1, so therefore v3 is free variable. Okay, so for the free variable, we let v3 equal to any variable, let's say t lah. Okay, so therefore we have v2 also equal to t, and v1 also is equal to t. Okay, so therefore we have the eigenvector, which is t, such that t element in a real number and t cannot equal to 0. Okay. We can write down as t 1 1 1. So 1 1 1. Okay. So such that t element in a real number and t cannot equal to 0. Okay, so after we have the eigenvector, so we find the basis for the eigenspace. Okay, so therefore vector 1 1 1 will form, will form a basis for eigenspace of lambda equal to 0. Or you can write down the basis for eigenspace of lambda equal to 0 is 1 1 1. Okay, so after that, okay, so we find the eigenvector and the eigenspace, basis of the eigenspace for lambda equal to 1. So tadi lambda equal to 1 ni dia keluar 2 kali kan. So 2 kali. So cukup kita cari sekali je, nanti kita akan dapat 2 basis dia. Okay. Okay, so next transform for the lambda equal to 1. So we find eigenvector by using a minus lambda I. So lambda 1, so 1 times by I times the vector v equal to 0 vector, then transform into augmented matrix. So nanti korang akan dapat tukarlah dalam bentuk matrix. Okay, so saya tak ingat matrix A tadi. Okay, so nanti tukar dalam bentuk matrix, lepas tu korang akan dapat macam ni. Okay, and then after you have the augmented matrix, okay, so use ERO to convert into row reduced echelon form. Okay, so in order to find the vector v, eigenvector v. Okay, so here already have the leading one, so make it this one become 0, and here also become 0, and have this form. Okay, so kita dapat bentuk ni. Okay, so do back substitution. Okay, so first column for V1, second column for V2, and third column for V3. Okay, so you can see here the leading one is only for the V1. So therefore V2 and V3 is free variable. Okay, so V1 is equal to, okay, so V1 minus 3V2 plus V3 is equal to 0. So V1 is equal to 3V2 minus V3. Okay, so for the free variable, so let V2 equal to T and V3 is equal to R. Okay, so dia ada dua free variable. So maksudnya kita dua-dua tu kita wakilkan sebagai variable yang berlainan lah. Jangan letak variable yang sama. Okay. Okay, so after we have V2, V3, so we have V1 which is equal to 3, V2 which is T, and minus V3, V3 which is R. Okay, so after that, so we have the eigenvector V which is equal to 3T minus R, and then T and then R. For R and T element in a real number, so that R cannot equal to 0 and T also cannot equal to 0. Or you can write down this one. Okay, so take out T. Okay, so for the T, so we have 1, here there is 0, so 3 1 0, and then plus for the R. Okay, so for the R, so we have here negative 1, and here 0, there is no R, and the last one is 1. Okay, so for R and T element in a real number, such that R cannot equal to 0 and T also cannot equal to 0. Okay, so therefore the basis for eigenspace of lambda equal to 1 is 3, 1, 0 and negative 1, 0, 1. Okay, so dah siap. Okay, so next question. Consider the matrix A is equal to this one, 2, 4, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So find the eigenvalues of A. Okay, so matrix A is upper triangular matrix. Okay, so therefore eigenvalues is equal to 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so tak payah nak kira. Okay, so sebab dia upper triangular matrix. Okay, so after we have the eigenvalues, so find the eigenvector of A and basis of eigenspace. Okay, so find the eigenvector for lambda equal to 2. So we have A minus 2i times by eigenvector V is equal to 0 vector. Okay, so you have this form and then transform into augmented matrix. Okay, so this one 0 vector. 0 vector ni 0, 0, 0. Okay, okay, so transform into augmented matrix. So we have this form and then find the leading one for the first row. So here already 0. So bermaksud leading one dia dekat sini untuk first row. Okay, so find the leading one. Okay, so dekat sini I interchange row 2 with row 1. Okay, so row 2 ni saya letak negatif sekali lah sebab leading one positive 1 kan. So since here negative 1, so terus saya letak negatif. So become like this. And then after that make it this one become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so we use row 2 minus 4 row 1. So it becomes 0. And then make it this one become leading 1. Okay, so become 1. Okay, so after we have this matrix, so find the V1, V2 and V3. So first column for the V1, second column for the V2 and third column for the V3. Okay, so for the V1 there is no leading one, so V1 is the free variable. Okay, so let V1 is equal to T. And then for V2, so here 1, so V2 plus there is no others, so V2 is equal to 0. And then for the V3, so here there is 0, 0, so plus V3 equal to 0. So V3 is equal to 0. So therefore we have the eigenvector which is equal to T0, 0, such that T element in real number and T cannot equal to 0. Or you can write down as T100 for T element in real number and T cannot equal to 0. Okay, so therefore basis for eigenspace of lambda equal to 2 is 1, 0, 0. Okay, so after that, second eigenvalue, find the eigenvector and basis for the second eigenvalue, which is lambda equal to 1. Okay, so for the lambda equal to 1, so we have this form. Okay, convert into augmented matrix, so become like this. Okay, so here already have the leading one. Okay, so tak ada masalah. And then for the second row, we don't have leading one, but we need the leading one on the second row. Tapi second row ni 0 vector, so biasanya 0 vector dia mesti dekat bawah, at the bottom. So therefore we can interchange row 2 and row 3 because row 3 is not 0 row. Okay, so kita ubah. Okay, so dan lagi satu saya nampak ni boleh jadi leading one. Okay, so for the leading one must be positive. So terus direct saya letak negative row 3 interchange with row 2. So ini interchange, okay? Okay, so we have this form after that. So here leading 1, here leading 1. So here there is no leading 1, so therefore no need to make it 0. So this one leading 1, so make it this one become 0. Okay, so become like this. Okay, so and then find the value v1, v2, and v3. So here v1, v2, and v3. Okay, so for the v1 we have the leading 1. For v3 we have leading 1. So v2 there is no leading 1. So therefore v2 is free variable. Okay, so from row 1, so we have v1 plus 4v2 equal to 0. So v1 is equal to negative 4v2. And from the second row, we have v3 is equal to 0. And v2 is free variable. So let v2 equal to r. So v1 is equal to negative 4r. So we have the eigenvector v, which is equal to negative 4r, and then r, and v3 is 0. Okay, so for r, element in real number such that r cannot equal to 0. Okay, and then or you can write down as this one. So r outside, so here negative 4, 1, 0, and r element in a real number with r cannot equal to 0. Okay, okay, and then basis for the eigenspace. So therefore basis eigenspace of lambda equal to 1 is negative 4, 1, 0. Okay, next for the last eigenvalues, so find the eigenvector and the basis of the eigenspace. Okay, so for lambda equal to 0, so we have this form, and then convert into augmented matrix. Okay, so we have this form, and then make it this one as a leading 1. Okay, so leading 1 for the row 1. Okay, so divide by 2 and put back at the row number 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then make it this one become leading 1. So here already leading 1. Okay, so after that make it this one become 0. Okay, so become like this. Okay, okay, so and then find v1, v2, and v3. Okay, so for the 3 no need to make it become 0 because there is no leading 1 on the term. Okay, so this one v1, v2, and v3. Okay, so for the v1 there is a leading 1, v2 also has the leading 1, so therefore v3 is free variable. Okay, so from this matrix, so we have v1 plus, okay, so v1 plus 3v3 equal to 0, and v2 is equal to 0. So let v3 is equal to t. Okay, so therefore we have the eigenvector which is equal to, okay, so before that v1, so v1 is equal to negative 3v3, so this is negative 3t. So we have the eigenvector which is equal to v1 negative 3t, and then v2 which is 0, and v3 is t. Okay, so for t element in a real number with t cannot equal to 0. Okay, so therefore and one more thing, you can write down the eigenvector in this form. So t negative 3, 0, 1, t element in a real number and t cannot equal to 0. And then the basis for the eigenspace of lambda equal to 0. Okay, so basis for eigenspace of lambda equal to 0 is negative 3, 0, 1. Okay. Yes, I think that's all for our exercise today. Okay, so see you later. Thank you and assalamualaikum.